In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Google Gemini for cooking recipes. So let's get straight into the video. So the best method that I found I could do was simply go ahead and post a photo of my fridge. And write something like, I have these ingredients in my fridge, and then see the photo. What can I cook with them that takes under 20 minutes? It just gives me straight up answer. It sees all the ingredients I have, and then it gives me the best recipes that I can have. If you don't want it, you can also go ahead and write a prompt like I'm about to. You can pause the video and copy and paste it on your own if you want to. Write a step-by-step guide for making chicken tikka masala. Keep the instructions under 5 steps and include estimated cooking time. Now, if I go ahead and give it or questions like that about any dish, it is going to go ahead and give me a detailed answer, and it will tell me exactly what to do as well. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.